In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your sheet. To get started, head over to Google Sheets and open the document you want to share. Make sure you are in the correct file before sending access, especially if you work with multiple spreadsheets. Taking a quick moment to confirm the title of the sheet can help avoid sharing the wrong document by mistake. Once your sheet is open, look to the top right corner of the screen for the large green Share button. Click on it to open the sharing menu. This is where you control who can access your spreadsheet and what they're allowed to do inside it. In the sharing window, you'll see a section labeled Share with People and Groups. Here, type the name or email address of the person you want to add. As you enter their information, Google may suggest contacts you've shared with before, which can make the process even faster. Be careful to choose the correct contact so your sheet is shared with the right person. After adding the person, choose their permission level from the drop-down menu. You'll typically see three options: Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. A viewer can open the sheet and read it, but they won't be able to make changes. A commenter can view the content and leave comments, which is useful when you want feedback without allowing direct edits. An editor has full access to make changes to the spreadsheet, so this option is best for trusted collaborators who need to actively work in the file. Next, check the Notify People box if you want Google to send them an automatic email invitation. This is helpful because it lets them know right away that they've been given access. You can also include a custom message to provide context, such as what the sheet is for or what you'd like them to review. Keeping that message short and clear can make collaboration smoother. When everything looks good, click Send. Your collaborator will receive access based on the permission level you selected, and they'll be able to open the sheet from the invitation. That's all it takes to share a Google Sheet. Just open the file, click Share, add the person. Choose the right permission, enable the notification if needed, and send the invite. Thanks for watching.